You know what time it is. Let's go shopping at the Dollar Tree. I found some really pretty items on the frame aisle this week. These were new to my store. They've restocked these small ornate picture frames. They're so small, but really pretty. I really like these new inspirational signs. They are faux marble with gold foil lettering. Really nice for $1. There were 6 different signs, and I picked up 12 of these for a future DIY. They finally restocked the large peonies. They may not look like much on their own, but when I put several of these together, my floral arrangements always look beautiful. They have a lot of new ceramic balloon animals. This pink swan is really pretty. The last time they put these out, they definitely didn't have these different pretty colors. They also had a toucan and a llama as well. I saw these ceramic pineapple trays. They also had tons of art supplies. I wish I knew about the Dollar Tree when my kids were small. These supplies would have definitely kept them busy. They also have new deco tape. I really like this one. It has a roll of Girl Boss and then 2 rolls of gold, 1 stripe and 1 glitter. This was really pretty, and I definitely picked up one of these for future projects. I found new animal print handheld mirrors. These were new to my store. They also have new vanity handheld mirrors and pretty new spring colors. On the beauty aisle, they had new loofahs. I saw this new men's exfoliating sponge, and I picked up a couple of these for my husband to try. I'll let you guys know what he thinks. They also have a new display of the Kiss Nails and nail glue. You guys know I'm super hard on my nails, so the Dollar Tree brand Sassy and Chic nails are a bit too thin for me, but these Kiss nails, they're perfect. These stripe rugs are new. These white plates are new. I don't know what this material is. It's glass, but it's definitely not the stoneware the Dollar Tree usually sells. The Dollar Tree now has painter's tape. I've not seen this in Dollar Tree before. I recently used this in my last DIY project. I think the quality is pretty good. So far, so good. I found more of those pretty gold 4x6 picture frames. I didn't know that Dollar Tree was considering these graduation items. These picture frames are of such great quality. They worked out very well in a recent DIY. I also saw these really pretty paper straws in the graduation section. They had rose gold, gold, and silver. Is someone in your life graduating? Let me know down in the comments. This store had adult-sized t-shirts. I saw everything from medium to 2XL. I ended up picking up 3 of these. You can't go wrong with t-shirts for $1. The Dollar Tree is already stocked with all of their 4th of July items. They literally had every Memorial Day or July 4th decoration you can think of. The Dollar Tree knows that it's grilling season. I saw this end cap display with tons of sauces and seasonings, everything that you need, including these really large seasonings for just $1. I've used the Supreme Traditions brand before, and I think that they work out very well. They taste good. Other random items that I found included this really cool eyeglass repair kit. They have these really nice personal mini fans. There were tons of new items at the checkout aisles, including these really nice pineapple canvas bags. Here are just some of the items that I purchased. I usually try to limit myself to about $20 per week at the Dollar Tree, but after this trip, I walked away with both hands full. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree walkthrough. If so, please like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. And also, please subscribe to my new channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, up close and personal. There you'll see additional behind the scenes footage as well as additional shot with me's as well. And remember, I upload new videos on both channels every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.